Hey guys, in today's video, let's learn how to make a PowerPoint presentation using ChatGPT. So if you are basically a student or a corporate worker who wants to make a PowerPoint presentation but has no time, in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to utilize ChatGPT to make your own PowerPoint presentations. So watch this video until the end to learn how. Alright, so let's just hop right into it all the way. The first step that we need to do is to go ahead and access our web browser. So let's go ahead and open a new tab and let's actually search for APRM. Okay, let's search for AI, which is basically an extension that you could use for ChatGPT. So all we need to do is to access this, which is basically a Chrome extension. So just download the Chrome extension onto your browsers, and let's go into first link. And what we need to do from there, once we have already downloaded and installed, so let's go ahead and tap on Add to Browser, tap on Add Extension. And then, of course, once it's already done and installed over on our browsers, it's going to automatically open ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and log on to our accounts first if your session has expired. I'm going to go ahead and tap on Login, tap on Continue. And that is basically going to accept the terms and conditions that our extension is going to do with ChatGPT. So let's just go ahead and check that. And let's go ahead and proceed with connecting with a Google account to sign up for this basically this quick and easy extension. Let's go ahead and tap on Continue. That's going to be good for me. And okay, so we do need to basically try again. Connect with our Google account to continue. In this case, I could also go ahead and sign into our ChatGPT account if we haven't already. And we have already upgraded or rather accessed ChatGPT, but we do need to go ahead and connect OpenAI with our AI PRM account. So let's go ahead and tap on continue. We are going to go ahead and be redirected again to this website. Just to go ahead and tap on the check box over here and tap on connect with a Google account. Go ahead and choose the preferred Google account. And let's actually go ahead and tap on this and tap on continue. And if you are experiencing some problems like this right here, of course, all we need to do is to basically wait until the error has solved its problem. Basically, the next step from here is to go ahead and sign up with AI PRM for ChatGPT. Sign up to ChatGPT from here, and then you could basically go ahead and search for the PowerPoint prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and make an example over here once you have already logged onto both accounts. I'm going to search for PPT. Tap on Enter, and we're going to have these quick and easy PowerPoint templates that we could use with just one click. So all we need to do is to basically use the most viewed one. In this case, we do have this, which has 6.3K views. And we could always go ahead and now basically just tap on this. And of course, all we need to do is to enter our the necessary details that it needs from us, like what type of, or rather what language the output needs to be. We also need the tone. You could also choose the tone. And you could also choose the writing style. Next, you could also enter your name and type in the topic you want to generate. So I'm going to go ahead and type in a fake name on here. So let's just go ahead and enter John. And let's go ahead and enter the topic. And let's make this PowerPoint presentation all about Japan and its culture. And then all we need to do next is to go ahead and tap on this send message option so that it could go ahead and generate it for us. And that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video. As you see, it's now going to go ahead and slowly create the PowerPoint presentation for us. And all we need to do is to access the link that it's going to be, the link that it's going to send to us right after the presentation is going to be done. And then from there, we can now access our PowerPoint presentation just basically made by ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and just wait for this to be finished generating. And I'm going to show you guys what the PowerPoint presentation is going to look like once it is all done. You could always go ahead and tap and actually view each of the contents. As you see over here, the cover page is going to look like this. And over here it says It's going to be created with the AI PRM prompt. And once it is done generating, of course, it's going to show you the link. And once it is all done, you could actually now view your PowerPoint presentation. All right, so our PowerPoint presentation is now done. You can basically now go ahead, as you see, feel free to make any adjustments for your reference. Basically, you could copy the code for each page and actually enter each information onto your own PowerPoint presentation. And that's basically it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please like and subscribe if you learned something, and take care.